Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about dynamic blocks. Blocks we create in previous lessons was static blocks, and in dynamic blocks we can take certain action. So let's see what are dynamic blocks. I will go here in View tab. Here you can see one of the option tool palette. Click on this, and here you can see some of the tabs like Annotation tab, Architecture tab, Mechanical tab, Electrical tab, and Civil tab. Under each tab there are different kind of dynamic blocks. This yellow color is representing the dynamic blocks. Okay, you can see here are imperial sample of dynamic blocks as well as matrix sample. So let's insert one of the blocks here. Okay, for example, here you can see tiled matrix. Okay, I will click on this one to activate this one. Okay, and I will click on this screen. This is the dynamic block for tiled. I will select this one, and here you can see some of the grips. Okay, let's see what these grips are. Click on this arrow, and here you can see some of the options. Okay, you can see here pull chain side, pull chain plan, pull chain front. Let's just click on pull chain side. You can see dynamic block is going to change. So through these options you can change the view of that particular dynamic blocks. Okay, for example, if you want to just move the block, you can move by this grip as well. Okay, you can see this is the grip for moving. Okay, here one more grip is, that is arrow. Click on this one. This is the flip grip. Okay, so in dynamic blocks you can just take certain kind of actions on a object. Okay, for example, I want to just insert this door here. Okay, I will insert this one. I will select this one, and here you can see some of the grips. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, I will click on this arrow. Okay, you can see there are different kinds of option: open 30 degree, open 45 degree, open 60 degree. Let's check the open 90 degree. You can see this is the complete door. Let's click on this arrow. This will be flipped to the another direction. Okay, let's click on this grip. It will be flipped in another direction. Okay, let's see what is the use of this grip. Okay, click on this one, and here you can see some of the vertical lines. Okay, and the size of door is increasing on a specific dimension. Okay, you can see here after this point it is not going to increase, and after this point it will not going to decrease. So in dynamic blocks you can just add certain types of actions on a object. It will just reduce your work also. Okay, so in next tutorial we will see how to just create dynamic blocks, how we can just put some certain actions on different object. Okay, so I hope you understand what dynamic blocks is all about. I will see you in the next.